Growing up, I was always focused on what I could do outdoors. It was about community, beach sports, playing baseball, soccer, and hanging out with my friends. I was always known as that beach boy that couldn't get away from the water. And that's why I love Redondo Beach. I'm Chris Voisey. As your mayor, I want to make sure we have the same for our future generations. I'm about responsible solutions in a progressive city. Whether or not you're a parent, we're all concerned with safety and security. I decided to run based on my own frustration and hearing the promises of change for 2 decades, if not more. My career is about finding the art of the possible and matching it with a solution. Redondo Beach has been an amazing place to raise my family, but we need to take it to the next level. We need a city that supports people of all ages and is fiscally responsible. My plans are built on 3 key pillars. First, One Redondo. Building, unifying, and balancing decisions throughout the entire city. This isn't about just one area. Next, local control. Police, fire, and zoning. All of these should be unique and under the control of Redondo Beach, not outside entities. Last, support our local businesses. Not only from the recovery of this pandemic, but also reversing the complexities that they encounter when trying to do business within Redondo Beach. As your mayor, you can count on me to make Redondo Beach the home we always imagined. I respectfully ask for your vote. A vote for me is a vote for real vision and actual progress for you and your family.